Settings. The VIDA series performs a fully programmable energy-saving function that reduces energy consumption by up to 95%, which can help save you money. Click on Settings Energy Saving. In the first section, you can monitor the amplifier status, running or sleeping. Activate or not the sleep mode, so it will make the power amplifier to sleep whenever the 4 channels are in standby. And finally, you can allow to use the front panel button to force the unit to sleep or not. Below this section, there are the conditions to get every channel individually into standby. In the information window, you can find some more information about what happens in sleep mode. It's there to solve some common doubts. As an example, see consumptions of a VIDA 24Q. Idle means that the amplifier modules are not in standby, but there is no signal. The consumption is around 72 watts. When all the channels are in standby, consumption will be less than 30 watts. Getting the device into sleep mode will reduce the power consumption to less than 5 watts.